Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, deep jet cleaning carried out in calcining plant 2 of Shell RSP as a measure to safeguard against COVID-19 pandemic. And internal audit of ISO 9001 QMS and ISO 14001 EMS of Steel Township held. Now the news in details. The employee of calcining plant 2 of Shell Rourkela Steel Plant are making all-out effort to keep the workplace clean, hygienic and safe, especially in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. Recently, the committed employee of calcining plant 2 carried out an intense cleaning exercise of the new screen house area of the department. In the area, continuous lime and dolo is screened and transferred to SMS2 conveyor for transportation to SMS2 converter where it is used as flux. In the process, lot of dust is generated which sticks on the skylight and outer surface of the house. The dedusting system installed in the clean side and the transfer point managed to dedust the generation areas. However, the flying dust settling on the skylight sets and surface cannot be soaked by the installed system. In the absence of dedicated space dedusting mechanism, the department hired a high pressure jet machine from the fire service department to remove the dust from the surface and the skylight sets. The equipment was entirely operated by the calcining plant 2 personnel under the guidance of Mr. K.K. Majumdar, GMIC, calcining plant 2 and LDVP. The pumping and washing started from the height of 30 meter and moved downward toward the bottom step by step. In addition, one downcomer pipe of 500 mm dia also has been provided to collect and dispose of the belt and chute spillage from the different height and platform from the screen house. The department intends to make this cleaning activity of the area as a regular routine feature in future, which is proposed to be carried out once in a fortnight. This endeavor will not only enhance the looks and ambience of the department but also make it even more employee friendly in terms of health and safety. A 3-day internal audit of ISO 9001 QMS and ISO 14001 EMS of Steel Township of Shell Rourkela Steel Plant was carried out from 28 to 30 April 2020, adhering to all the statutory guidelines pertaining to COVID-19. The audits were held in the conference hall of respective section of township involving minimum number of auditees and ensuring social distancing. The area included water supply, town, sports, horticulture, Rourkela House, Hillview Guest House, social welfare, town engineering civil, town engineering electrical, public health and system management. The audit conducted by the lead auditor of business excellence and the other units of RSP aimed at ensuring effective implementation of QMS and EMS at Steel Township. The audit conducted by the lead auditor of business excellence and other unit of RSP aimed at ensuring effective implementation of QMS and EMS at Steel Township. The audit points raised by the auditors will be subsequently complied by the section concerned. Business Excellence Department facilitated the entire process of the internal audit. With this, we come to end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.